Every AI agent, every RAG pipeline, every LLM fine-tuning job has one invisible foundation, and that foundation is not PyTorch, not LangChain, not even transformers. It is pip, the Python package installer. The entire modern AI stack is downloaded from one place, PyPI, with more than 550,000 packages. In today's video, you will understand why pip is the heart of AI development, how real AI and cloud systems depend on it, the most important pip commands for production, virtual environments, and modern tools like Poetry and UV. Let's dive into the backbone of the AI ecosystem. What is pip and why it powers AI? Pip is not just a package installer. It manages the complete lifecycle of dependencies: discover, download, install, upgrade, version control, remove, and in AI, everything is a dependency. When you install LangChain via pip, FastAPI via pip, PyTorch via pip, OpenAI SDK via pip, you are literally assembling an AI platform. Real AI and cloud use cases. Let's connect this to real production systems. LangChain builds agent workflows in RAG pipelines. LangGraph creates stateful multi-agent systems with human in the loop. Llama Index connects LLMs to enterprise data like PDFs, databases, and APIs. Transformers runs open-source models like Llama, Mistral, and Phi-3. VLLM high-throughput GPU inference in Kubernetes. FastAPI turns your AI into microservices. Pydantic validates every message between agents. Bodo 3, Vertex AI, or Azure ML connect your Python AI to the cloud. Vector databases, Weaviate, Milvus, Pinecone, store long-term memory for agents. Celery run long LLM jobs asynchronously. Prometheus client monitor token usage, latency, and AI performance. So when you run a single command, pip install-r requirements.txt, you are deploying an entire AI system. Most important pip commands, production focus. In real projects, these commands are used daily. Install dependencies, pip install-r requirements.txt, export exact versions, pip freeze.requirements.txt, version control, pip install LangChain greater than or equal to 0.2, less than 0.3, debug package issues, pip show package name, update workflow, pip list -- outdated, Docker optimization, pip install -- no cacher. This is how reproducible AI environments are built. Why virtual environments are mandatory. Never install AI packages globally because PyTorch plus CUDA versions conflict. Different projects need different dependencies. So every AI service runs inside its own isolated environment using venv, lightweight and built-in, Poetry, production dependency management, UV, ultra-fast next-gen installer, PDM, modern PyProject workflow. This is how real AI platforms are developed. Security for production AI. In enterprise systems, dependency security is critical. That's where pip audit comes in that checks your packages against known vulnerabilities. This is integrated into CI/CD pipelines to block unsafe deployments. So the next time you install an AI library, remember, you are not just installing a package, you are assembling an agent, a cloud service, a GPU inference engine, a production AI platform, and all of it starts with pip. If you want to become a job-ready AI engineer and learn to build real production-level systems, join Yagent Training Academy, where we turn beginners into industry-ready professionals. Don't forget to like, comment, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.